Welcome everybody. This is the Waves of Profit Google Hangout starring Scott Patton of www.wavesofprofit.com and Alan Maxwell of www.wavesofprofit.com. Hey Alan, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great, thanks.
Excellent. So what happened in the stock market?
Well, yesterday was a really great day. Well, not one of the super days, but a good day. And today was actually a pretty good day. And so there was a number of good picks like we'd always expect. So I'm going to just start you out with the first one here is NOC. And you can see it fits the rules here. And I'm just going to move forward. I already hit the buy call button. I'm just going to move forward a little bit. And you can see we're up, making money, and there's our 10%.
Can you move the buy-sell box up a little bit because you were right in front of it?
Hey, there you go. So there we go. So it's we made our 10%. We also got the blue star. Either way, it's a good time to leave. You could have hung on.
Okay. Say sure you hit the sell.
Yeah, here we go. Hit the sell. So you can see we made money because we're following our rules. We're not modifying them. We just go with them. So the next one was Netflix. We were looking for a green move out of it. It finally did the green move. This candle was pretty phenomenal. I'm going to back up 1 minute. You see, it was like, that's not a trade. And then, boom, now it's a trade. So I already hit the buy now button. So we're just going to go forward till we get 10%, 8% in 1 minute. And it's not improving. But then all of a sudden, in another minute, 15%. So we're going to go hit the old sell button. And then the next one, I thought I'd show you a couple from different parts of the day today. So here's Tesla. And Tesla had a good move earlier in the day. But
what time is this?
This one is 11:14. And this was, it's a good setup. We won't get into all the training, but it's a good setup. You can see it looks very similar to all the other usual rules we have. So if I just move forward a little bit, you can see I'm just breaking even, which is actually a good thing. Making money now. I'm moving forward a little bit, and still, positive to neutral. But it's still a good trade, so I'm hanging on to it. Now I'm at 8%, and there's my 10%. And got again the blue star. And that would have gone on to make good money later in the day as well if you would have hung on. And another one from a different time slice of the day, I thought, well, this is at 1:30 in the afternoon, 1:27 to be exact. And this was, again, a similar sort of setup where everything's looking good. And so it's like, well, that looks like a pretty safe purchase. So I'm just moving forward here faster than market speed. So we're at 6%. We're still in positive. We haven't hit the 10%. We haven't hit negative. We're just sort of hanging on. And that's just kind of how it is at the afternoons, is you have to hang on a little longer to make your money. The mornings are a bit faster. So I'm going to hit the sell button. And here are the results. So in 3 minutes, see, that's the morning. In 3 minutes, you made 10%. And then on Netflix, again, 3 minutes, you made 15%. Later in the day, it took you 16 minutes to make your roughly 10%. And then even later in the day, it took almost, what is that, like 18 minutes to make your 10%. But that's the thing about the mornings, is they're really fast. You can make a lot of money pretty quickly. And that's it.
Cool. Great. Thanks for sharing that, Alan. If anyone's interested in seeing how the system works and how the software works, just head over to www.wavesofprofit.com, and we'll be happy to answer any questions that you've got. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time, everybody. Bye-bye.